Hello and good day. Daily analysis of the silver symbol on January 28th. As predicted, after a bullish move and accumulation, the price entered a bearish correction towards the buy side. Ultimately, it filled the gap at the 104.40 level, and after that, it was accompanied by bullish momentum. Currently, a trading strategy number 2 is forming. After a short-term bearish correction, it enters a bullish phase and breaks its previous high at the 116.09 level, continuing with a stronger bullish trend. Our strategy will be complete, and by re-entering the range, we can use it as an entry point to open a position. Set the stop loss behind the swing or behind the 117.73 level. Set the target at a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, 1:2, or at the levels of 104.91 and 102.05. Also, if there is an increase in momentum and the liquidity on the buy side collects at the 117.73 level and closes within that range, it forms a Ryan Soldier strategy. We can also use this situation to enter a sell position. The entry point is after the price closes and a reversal is identified in the bullish trend. Place the stop loss behind a swing and finally enter the position. At the moment, the price is accompanied by a bearish candle, which has formed a classic 3-candle pattern. It is expected to enter the ICT-style fair value gap area. If a reversal is identified in the downtrend within the fair value region, we can look for a trading strategy for a buy position. Set the stop loss behind the swing or behind the 109.27 level, targeting the 116.09 and 117.93 levels. Also, if the price moves with bearish momentum and breaks the 104.86 level to the downside, it could see even lower prices, with the next target being 101.93. And if it closes below this level, it could continue downward. It may keep its bearish trend and target even lower prices like 95.57, based on the analysis of this 1-hour time frame for silver. We can see that after a bullish move upward and closing above the 110.93 level with bullish momentum, the price then entered a bearish phase and broke the 106.23 level. This formed a CH and CH level here, filled the gap area, and currently, with its bullish move, it broke a BOS mini level and entered the 1-hour order block zone and was rejected from this area. It is expected that the price will have a correction to the downside. It will enter the BPR zone at the 110.93 level. From here, we can look for a trading strategy for a buy position in the market. If the price also moves with a bullish displacement and closes above the 118.50 level, it can continue its bullish trend, but if it closes below the BPR level, which is the 109.33 level, it could set lower targets like 104.91 and 101.93 as its next bearish targets, and after that, the next target would be the lower range. The 1-hour order block is at the price of 98.67, based on the 15-minute timeframe analysis. We can see that during the Asian session, the price made an accumulation move, and in the London session, it managed to gather liquidity. It hasn't broken the high or low of the Asian session and is currently ranging within the session, which suggests that in the New York session, it might experience a distribution move, either bearish or downward. If it closes below the BPR zone, we will have a bearish distribution. But if it closes above the Asian session range or the order block zone, it could have a bullish distribution. By analyzing the DXY index, we can see that the strength of the dollar is decreasing, with a bearish momentum. Also, by analyzing the RSI indicator, we see that it's in a potential bearish zone, and in all 3 periods 7, 14, and 42, it's in the oversold area, which has formed a bullish divergence. This means the price could have a short-term upward correction. It could enter the consolidation range, and after that, Move from the consolidation area to the 96 to 97.43 level. Set that as its target, get rejected from this area, and then continue its downward trend. If there is a bullish correction, silver could also experience a short-term bearish correction, and after that, with the continued decline of the dollar index, silver would also enter a bullish phase and target higher prices. Wishing you success and profits.